Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2017 Honda CBR600RR. This super sport just arrived with only 9,481 miles. Beautiful satin black. It's got the ASV adjustable levers, zero gravity double bubble. It's got an awesome sounding Akrapovic exhaust, fender eliminator, rear seat cowl, and this is a solo ride, no rear foot pegs. It's got the tank grip pads, beautiful shape. Come on by and make your CBR600RR dreams come true on this gorgeous 2017. Only $87.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Brand new front tire, just serviced. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.